Hello, my name is Amar. Welcome to tutorial number 8. Today we are going to show how once we slash an enemy, it performs a hit reaction. So let's get started. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friend. And also down in this tutorial, put on a detailed description of what we'll be doing and keep an eye to it, and you can use it for your reference, and also join our Discord if you have any other question. Thank you very much. Let's get started. So let's get started. So the first thing which we're going to do is we're going to create a game playability. We are going to create a game playability called GA underscore hit reaction underscore Katana. So we are gonna create a new, you're gonna create a new one that you're gonna name it React dot Katana, and we're gonna choose this. Now we are gonna use even activate ability, gonna get actor, get avatar actor from actor info. Then we're gonna play montage replication. This is the montage which is from the sandbox character, this one. So this one they're calling it here. So it's network replicated. Now we're going to use an animation. So let's get a hit reaction animation. Uh, Animation. Let's choose like hit. I'm gonna say hit live body. Maybe this is much better. So let's retarget this first, and let's get it. Uh, so let's use this one and export animation and export it. Let's close this. Let's close this as well. And let's go back. And here is the animation, and we kept the anime montage of it. And so, yeah, before that, let's just convert this. Let's continue and save it. Now let's go and get it this one, which is this animation. Um, let's close this and let's go to GA and let's add a delay. We can add a delay for 0.5 sec, and let's end ability. So here is how we end the ability. Now let's compile and save it. Now let's go to the GA light attack katana. So here we're gonna create a sequence. So the first sequence is about its attack, which is one of its thing which the katana weapon is gonna do. And the second thing is gonna do when the katana hits the character, it performs a reaction. So let's add a delay. Let's add a delay based on when the katana is probably close to it, like maybe around 0.38, I guess. No, okay, 0.38 for now. First is that something. Well, now let's take a function that in the function we are gonna give it a trace channel, and let's call up multi sphere trace by trace for objects. So here they're gonna ask for start tracing and tracing, radius of the trace, and what it needs to detect, and the duration. So let's try to fulfill all those things. So first thing we're gonna get avatar actor from actor info in this case. Then we're gonna get actor location, which is gonna get where the actor is. And we are gonna get forward vector, take this away. Now let's multiply this one. We are gonna convert into single precision because there is no need for it to do any value doesn't need to double anything. So let's also do a multiply, which is gonna be again single precision. So for this, actually, you know what? Let's just do multiply for this both single precision. So this can be 50, this can be 100, So that's the range. Now let's hit add, up, like add. We're gonna put this here, and so this one starts at 50. We're also gonna add another. Let's copy and paste this. Gonna add this as well, and we're gonna end this. So the duration, it's gonna be for duration, and let's add a sphere radius for about 20, and object can be make array. It's gonna be so let's compile and save it. Now let's get nearby actor. Let's compile and save. And to test, I'm gonna add another sandbox character here. And let's see. What's... So the reason why it's not working could be, is it for duration? Yes, it does make sense. Let's see what's going on in the. So yeah, I think so. Let's increase the delay value to maybe 0.9, and let's compile and save. We don't need this. So now let's continue. So again, we're gonna go to this, and we're gonna add bit more of stuff where it detects the reaction. So we're gonna add a branch. In the branch, we're gonna get for each loop. We're gonna get this to this. We are gonna break. You're gonna get break it results, and as a result, what's gonna be to explain this? This is how we can explain it. So it's gonna be hit results, which is gonna be this is gonna be an actor with an object reference, and let's convert this into an array. Then now we're gonna get this. We're gonna add unique where the loop body identifies the hit results, and also we declare the hit actor to this one. Obviously, we need to now finish this loop. So we're gonna return the node, and we're gonna here and give it here. Uh, so so that we can also get the radius here as well. Let's put one out 20 so that we can kind of view it in the function. So this is it. Now we come here and we can change the radius value here. We're gonna get for each loop we are gonna get ability system component. We are gonna try activate abilities by tag, and let's make gameplay that contain a from tag where we are gonna get this one, which is from the hit reaction Katana. So now this ability, which is a hit reaction, needs to be come into the sandbox character. So how do we do that? First, let's start adding a variable. Let's name this GEFA ability. So in this one, we're going to choose gameplay ability, where we are going to get a class reference because we're going to refer to this one to the class. And once we compile and save, we need to get an array of it. Let's compile and save. It's going to ask for some default abilities, and we're going to give it the hit reaction now. And now let's also make a function of it. Let's name it give decode. No, decode ability, where now we are gonna get this one for each loop and get our ability system and give ability, and the ability class is gonna be this one, but it's a class reference and it's referring to this one, which is listener. And now let's go to our event begin play, and let's bring this function out, and hopefully it works. So see, it's reacting. So this is how you create an enemy reaction. Hopefully it made sense. Thank you very much. I have explained my tutorial down very well under the description. Have a read, and hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friend who wants to learn.
and will enjoy. Thank you very much. Bye bye.